Are you a camping enthusiast looking to elevate your backcountry culinary game? Look no further than this Jetboil Summit Skillet, a revolutionary piece of cookware that combines performance, portability, and style. This non-stick skillet has been obsessively engineered to deliver gourmet cooking experiences even in the wilderness. Whether you're flipping pancakes at sunrise or sautéing vegetables under the stars, the Jetboil Summit Skillet ensures that your meals are as memorable as your adventures. Why choose the Jetboil Summit Skillet? When it comes to camping cookware, the Summit Skillet stands out for several reasons. 1. Lightweight and compact design. Weighing just 10.6 ounces, this skillet is perfect for backpacking and camping. Its slim profile ensures it fits easily into your gear. 2. Durable ceramic-coated aluminum construction. The skillet's ceramic non-stick surface is not only highly durable, but also scratch-resistant, ensuring long-lasting performance. The varying wall thickness promotes even heating, allowing for consistent cooking results. 3. Versatile cooking companion. The Summit Skillet is compatible with all Jetboil regulated cooking systems, including the pot support and JetPower fuel canisters. This versatility means you can use it for a wide range of cooking styles, from frying eggs to simmering stews. 4. Easy cleaning and maintenance. The non-stick surface ensures food releases effortlessly, making cleanup a breeze, even in the wilderness. Forget about scrubbing, just wipe it clean and you're ready for the next meal. Features that make the Jetboil Summit Skillet a must-have. 1. Ceramic non-stick surface. Allows you to cook delicate foods like eggs and pancakes without worrying about sticking or tearing. Reduces the amount of oil or butter needed, making meals healthier. 2. Angled turner included. Comes with a perfectly angled turner designed for flipping and serving. The turner nests into the handle for compact storage, so you don't have to carry extra utensils. 3. Efficient heating. The skillet's construction ensures rapid and even heat distribution, minimizing hot spots that could burn your food. 4. Ergonomic handle. The handle is designed for a firm grip and easy maneuverability, even when wearing gloves. Benefits of using the Jetboil Summit Skillet. 1. Create gourmet meals anywhere. With the Jetboil Summit Skillet, you no longer have to compromise on food quality during outdoor adventures. From hearty breakfasts to elaborate dinners, this skillet empowers you to unleash your inner chef. 2. Lightweight yet durable. Unlike bulky, fragile cookware, this skillet strikes the perfect balance between durability and portability. Its lightweight design ensures it won't weigh you down on long treks. 3. Eco-friendly and health-conscious. The ceramic coating is free of harmful chemicals like PFOA, ensuring safe and environmentally friendly cooking. 4. Perfectly paired with Jetboil systems. Maximize the functionality of your Jetboil cooking setup by adding the Summit Skillet. Its compatibility with Jetboil accessories means you can seamlessly expand your cooking repertoire. The Jetboil Summit Skillet clearly surpasses traditional options in portability, ease of use, and performance. Ideal for every outdoor cooking scenario. Backpacking trips. Lightweight enough to carry without compromising other essentials. Car camping. Perfect for creating gourmet meals without needing an elaborate kitchen setup. Picnics and day trips. Compact size makes it easy to pack for short adventures. Final thoughts. The Jetboil Summit Skillet is a testament to innovation in camping cookware. Its lightweight design, non-stick surface, and compatibility with Jetboil systems make it an invaluable addition to any adventurer's kit. Whether you're a seasoned backpacker or a casual camper, this skillet promises to transform your outdoor cooking experience. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.